Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Guess what? Today I have my Fashionsta, the box, so let's get in here and see what I've got. This is the Fashionsta October box and it has just arrived. Well, I'm taping this on Halloween. I'm not sure when I'm posting it. I'm taping it on Halloween and it has just arrived. So it technically made it into an October taping. It's not going to make it up before October, but that's why I still have my spooky nails. If you are new to Fashionsta, it is $24.99 a month. It is chock full of skincare and makeup, and I really like it. This is what it looks like on the inside when we open it up. We have our card that will have all of our information, and this month's theme is Soirré. And then when we open this up, that is what the inside looks like. So let's dig right in. I know a couple of the spoilers. I don't think I've actually seen anybody unbox it yet, but I did know a couple of the spoilers. I think this is the second month in a row that they have gone with a theme, and I really like boxes that do themes. And this one is Soirré, and last month they did that around the world where each of our products came from a different place in the world. I really like a theme. So let me gloss up and tell you a little bit about this. It says 20s Soirré. We present to you our special celebration of the glitz and glamour of the 1920s with our October box filled with a curation of makeup and skincare to keep you and your skin glam and dance party ready. We hope you enjoy this month's products and remember you are truly beautiful inside and out. And this has a $131 value. And I think everybody gets the same thing. There are months where there's a variation in color, but I think we get the same thing each month. All right, I've moved it in front of me. I'm trying to train myself. I've worked from over here for so long that I keep forgetting to put it here, but I feel like it's more effective. Like I could just be like, hello, have something from the box. Anyway, this is the Georgette Klinger Charcoal Drying Lotion. And that is what that looks like. And it's, I don't know if you can tell, it's a liquid, but it's got really thick charcoal in it. That is interesting. Well, let's read about it. It says all skin types on the front. The Georgette Klinger Charcoal Drying Lotion has a $19 value. Apply this treatment at the first sign of trouble, and you'll wake up to a calm complexion that looks as good as new and ready to hit the town. Supports clearer and calmer skin, unblocks and purifies pores, draws out excess oil, relieves redness, puffiness, and swelling. Made in the USA, cruelty-free, paraben-free, dye-free, fragrance-free. Well, I am not going to open this because I don't need anti-acne drying, so I'm going to set this aside for somebody who can get good use out of it. And reaching in next, we have the Skin & Co. Whipped Cleansing Cream. That is what that looks like. And Skin & Co. is having a moment in subscription boxes. We are seeing a lot of the Skin & Co. I like it. I have used this and the face gommage, and neither one of them irritates my face, which every time I use the gommage and my face doesn't end up bad, I am surprised. I don't know why. I guess because you're dry rubbing something into your skin, but it doesn't irritate my skin. This says it has a $28 value. Ideal for all skin types, Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream is an essential step in the cleansing routine for removing makeup, dirt, and impurities accumulated throughout the day. For hydrated and radiant skin, it is cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, and GMO-free. So for a $28 value, that's more than covers the cost of your box. Also, oh, nope, this one was only $19. Your box was not covered with that one. Reaching in next, I have a Gerard Cosmetics. I am really glad to have this. I hear people go on and on about Gerard Cosmetics and how good they are, and I have never, I'm gonna go ahead and say this, I have never had one. I don't think I've ever gotten it in a box. I just don't. This is the Lip Plumper. Ooh, I like lip plumpers. Hard to believe, as sensitive as my skin is, that I can use lip plumpers. Even the ones that tingle and sting, they don't seem to, as long as they don't, I mean, I imagine if I used them up here, I'd be in trouble, but I like them. I actually kind of like the way they feel. Is that weird? Let me know below. Do you kind of like that plumping, tingling, minty? Let me know. This says the Gerard Cosmetics Kiss Assist Lip Plumper, $21. Pump up the volume with this innovative lip plumper that doubles as a clear lip gloss. The perfect gloss to keep your lips glistening and refreshed on a night out, or if you need a little lip gloss pick-me-up. All right, well, let's check this out. I have on a Dose of Colors red, as you can tell, red, and I didn't put anything over it, so we'll put this over it. I'm liable to end up with some red up on this, but we'll put some on it anyway. that is what it looks like. It's kind of pink and cloudy. I'm going to assume that that's fine. And when you take it out, it's just a clear doe foot. Have to remove my glasses a little bit. Actually, that dose of colors isn't coming off very much for something so dark. It smells really good. What is that? I'd say maybe cinnamon. I think maybe they use cinnamon as their plumper. Here, let me look at the ingredients real quick. I'll put you guys on hold. Let me look at the ingredients and see if I can work it. I got nothing. I don't know how they do it. It does say, warning, when using this product, a slight tingling or burning sensation on the lips may occur. Yeah, I don't know what it is in here that makes the stinging, but it's not cinnamon. But it does say that there's fragrance in it, so maybe they use cinnamon oil as a fragrance. If you tried this, did it smell cinnamony to you too? Reaching in next, I have a Lopkos Charcoal Pole Care Mask. Pole? No. Pore Care Mask. And we have had this before. This says it has a $3 value. It is infused with charcoal powder to purify and brighten the skin, draws out impurities, and minimizes the appearance of pores, detoxifying, tightening, and hydrating. It is cruelty-free and paraben-free. Moving slightly from tingling into a little bit of burn, but I expect fully plump lips any second. Okay, next we have a BioRepair 8 Thickening Blowout Spray. 2 thumbs up. I always need thickening. It says that it is the Beauty Authority Award winner for New Beauty 2019. And it is powered by AG Stem Cell Complex and 8 natural scalp fortifiers. Let's see what else this says. Color-proof hair repair BioRepair 8 Thickening Blow Dry Spray, $32. Grips to individual hair fibers to increase density and weightlessly volumize fine thinning hair. Delivers active plant stem cells to restore aging tissue, strengthen, and protect against breakage. Leaves hair soft and visibly fuller with color and heat protection up to 450 degrees for all your 1920s inspired hairstyling. Cruelty-free, paraben-free. You know what? We can smell it. I will say we haven't really gotten to swatch anything in this, although I did do my lips, which are a tingling plenty. Let's see what this smells like. I can't really put it in my hair, but we'll... Oh, it's a really, can you guys tell? It's a really fine mist. Oh, it smells really clean. I like that. I would totally use that. Anything to make my hair thicker. Oh, shake well. Yeah. It happens a lot. Shake well, spray on clean, damp hair, blow dry with a round brush for volume and fullness. Last, we have the LA Splash Golden Gatsby Old Money. And I have seen this. This is the spoiler that I saw. And it is a highlighter palette. I know, spoiler alert. Oh, it's really cool looking. I was hoping it would look as cool in real life as it did on the internets. And it's plastic. That is so cool. And it says LA Splash Golden Gatsby Old Money. Oh, it's so cool on the inside. I hope that comes across. Oh, it's hair. Okay, there we go. See the gold and then that's the palette. Wow. Let's swatch this. So we have doe. Oh, very creamy. Doe and what does that say? Mazuma? I don't know what that means. Maybe it meant something in the 20s. That is what those two look like. And then the next two are Sugar, that's down here, and Scratch. It's hard to see with the reflection of the gold in the lights. These look very, oh yeah, I can't tell the difference. These look very similar. Oh, my fingers, they look so similar. I would say this one is a little more of a rose gold, and then this one, Scratch, is a little more of a neutral gold. Let's see how they swatch. Wow, they are very, very difficult to tell apart. Wow. I hope you can even see them. They're very light. They will definitely, I will absolutely use this palette. The colors are so light. They are perfect for me. So I was trying to see if I got them at a distance. If you get them at a distance, actually this one, which is the Scratch, it actually looks more pink. And this one, which is the Sugar, looks a little more peach. I don't know if you can see that at a distance. Okay. This is absolutely usable. The only one of these that I wouldn't use on my face, you know, is the gold because it's just too dark for me, but I would absolutely put it on my eyes. Let's just use my fingers and put a little bit of this on my face. Let's use this Scratch. which is the one that I said kind of had more of a rose gold look. I don't know if you guys can see that at all. I like it. It's really subtle. I mean, it's definitely there, but it's a very subtle shine. Do I look like the Tin Man now? I want to not like the way that looks, but I do. You know, I always had dry skin. Even as a teenager, when all of my friends had acne and I wasn't suffering with it, I had dry skin. And I didn't know how happy to be about that back then. But because of it, I never had that glow. You know, the glow? So now I fake it wherever I can. That was a long way to get to. I use a lot of highlighters. All right, let's try the white. Where can we put the white? There's on my chin. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This one you can probably see. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's out of control now. Oh boy. Is my chin nice and shiny now? Can you tell? Oh boy. I like this. I will have fun playing with this. So this is obviously what the theme was based around because of The Great Gatsby. Let's see what the paperwork says. LA Splash Golden Gatsby Old Money Highlighting Palette, $28. Bringing all the glitters and shimmers of the 1920s, this lightweight 4-shade refined formula delivers buildable coverage with a metallic luster finish. For a stunning glow, sweep over the high points of your beautiful face, made in the USA, cruelty-free. All right, that is our Fashionsta box for October. What do you guys think? I like it. This alone paid for the box, and it's going to be kind of fun to play with. Then we have the Bio Repair 8 for volumizing and thickening your hair, the Georgette Klinger Charcoal for if you have acne or little spots you'd like to try and get rid of, the Skin & Co. Whipped Cleansing Cream, yes, Whipped Cleansing Cream, the Charcoal Pore Mask by Lapkos, and by Gerard Cosmetics, we have this nice, are my lips more plump, can you tell? Lip plumper. Of course, I put it over lipstick, so it's not, but it's still, it was stingy for, you know, a minute or two. Now it's just moved into like, if you put a really, you know, some of them have a really minty feel to them. That's what this feels like, that cooling minty feel. That's where we've gone now. I hope it gives me bigger lips. I have such fine, thin lips, kind of like my hair. I have fine, thin hair, fine, thin lips. Not much else. All right, guys, I hope you have a joyful day and find your happy. I am so grateful that you came by to see me. Thanks again for being here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Take care, guys.